Let's get busy creating a frog. Let's see what are the material needed for this project. First, we need a thick white drawing sheet, watercolor set, crayons or oil pastel, color mixing palette, a painting brush, and most importantly, curiosity to learn. Let's draw a frog using crayons. Here I am choosing green crayons to draw the frog. You can choose what other color you like. First we have to draw a straight line, a sleeping line. Next we'll draw the frog eyes, a big eye. The eyes and nose of the frog are on the top of its head. So we have to draw a big eyes. And I am using black crayons to draw the pupil of the frog eyes. Little bigger. Yeah, done. Next, we have to take the center of the straight line, sleeping line, and draw put a mark and draw a triangle. So, this will be the mouth and body of the frog. Next, we'll draw the legs of the frog. The front leg, 2 straight line on both the sides, the same level. And then the feet, just a line, come out, come in, come out, come in, come out and come in. That's it. So we have to draw the similar way in the next one. Come out, come in. That's it. And we have to draw a circle on the tip. That will be the toe of our frog. Super. We'll draw a smile on our frog. Our frog should smile always. Next, let's draw the back leg of the frog. It will be just a curved line. We have to draw a curved line, jump the front feet, and end it with the triangle center. And draw a line there. The similar way we have to draw on the other side. Just a curved line, jump, and join the triangle center. Let's draw a line to the back leg. Yes. Next, we'll draw the feet of the back leg. We can't see all the things, so we are drawing just a one on either side. And a 2. That's it. Let's paint our frog using watercolor. Okay, I'm choosing green color. So first I'm taking light green to paint the frog. Do you know frogs cannot live in the sea or any salt water? And I am taking little green and yellow and I am mixing those color to paint the frog's legs and other part of the frog's body. Usually, frogs have a long back legs and a webbed feet for jumping and swimming. yellow and green. Looks good, right? The color combination. So for the two, I'm like putting little dark color. The frog is almost ready. We're done with the painting of a frog. Let's paint the background now. So for the background, I'm taking orange. I mix it with water, a lot of water, so it will be very light while we paint the background. So all the four corners I painted with the orange color. And then I'm using little yellow color. Usually frogs absorb water through their skin, so they won't drink waters. Yeah, and I'm using orange. Make sure you are not painting inside the eyes of the frog. We almost done with the background. It is yellowish. And finishing. Okay, good. All right. Okay, we missed the part, so we are using orange color to fill it up. But when the eyes, all right. Look at our frog. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.